Imagine right now at this exact second our sun suddenly smaller down and turns into a black hole. There is no big explosion, no warning alarms, it's just gone. But here is the craziest part of all. For the next 8 minutes you would not even know it happened. So what happens to humanity if sun suddenly turns into a black hole? What are the challenges we should face? Will humanity survive from these dangerous conditions? What is our future? Let us discover in next 8 minutes. Stay tuned. Chapter 1. Normal darkness hit. You are just sitting at the home, maybe drinking coffee and scrolling your phone. Outside the sun looks completely normal. The sun is shining. That's because light from the sun takes 8 minutes to travel through space to reach the earth. So for 8 minutes everything feels totally fine. And then complete darkness. In just 1 second, the light goes out like a switch. The sun disappeared. In its place, there is a dark, invisible circle. It is a black hole. Chapter 2. Gravity Truth, not a vacuum. As soon as Earth goes dark, people would start to panic. They might worry the black hole will eat the Earth like a vacuum. But the answer is no. Gravity is all about how heavy something is, not how big it is. If the sun turned into a black hole, it would have the exact same weight. It would just be pressed into a small ball like a size of a city. Because it weighs the same, Earth does not get pulled in. Our planet keeps moving exactly like it did before, still floating, still perfectly safe from falling into the black hole. But now we are spinning in the dark. Chapter 3. The real danger, freeze. Escaping from the black hole does not mean we are safe. The real danger is not gravity, it is the cold. The next second the sunlight turns off, Earth starts to freeze, and it happens fast. In just a few days, the temperatures in the atmosphere drop to a freezing -100 degrees Celsius. In a few weeks, our giant oceans turn into a solid ice cubes, and in few months, the entire planet becomes a giant snowball. Without the sunlight, plants die first, then the animals. Eventually, it gets so incredibly cold that even the air we breathe freezes, falling from the sky like a strange cold snow. Earth becomes totally silent, like a frozen planet. Chapter 4. Everything keeps moving in the solar system. So what happens to the rest of the space around us? Nothing gets eaten by the black hole. The entire solar system just keeps spinning in the dark. Super hot planets like Mercury and Venus freeze solid. Mars planet gets colder than you can even imagine. Giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn keep floating around, but their moons turn into a giant space ice. Faraway planets like Uranus and Neptune are already freezing, so they get even more frozen. Everything stays in its place, but nothing is alive. Chapter 5. Human survival in underground. But what about us? What about the humanity? The initial days would be terrifying as darkness would fall upon us. Food would run out, but humans are smart. Some of us would survive. We would have to dig deep and deep underground. We would build hidden bases and use the heat from deep inside the earth to stay warm. We would grow our food using special artificial lights. Small group of people living out there lives in a underground bunkers trying to stay alive in a world without the sky. Chapter 6. The Dark Future. As the years passed, Earth would just keep floating around that invisible black hole. No more sunrises, no more summer days, and no more animals running on the grass, just darkness forever. Our home would become a giant dark ice planet moving endlessly through space. Chapter 7. The Conclusion. And that is the biggest surprise of this whole scenario. A black hole sun would not destroy us by eating us up. It would end things slowly, quietly, just by turning off the heat, taking away everything that makes our world colorful, warm, and alive. So the next time when you go outside and feel the warm sunshine on your face, remember that light is not just nice to look at. It is the only thing keeping us alive. Let me ask you a question. If the sun disappeared tomorrow, what would be your plan to survive in underground? Tell me your best ideas down in the comment section below. Hit a like to this video. Share this video with your fellow space lovers. And if you love cool mind-blowing space what if scenarios, make sure to subscribe to Galaxora. Because in the boundless expansion of this space, anything is possible at any given moment.